So I bought these because I have a 65 bus. But this piece here is too big to fit. Measure that. That's at 1 3/4. And if you look on here, hard to see there, but you can get a nut on there. And the same problems up top, bolt's too short. So should I cut this down? Makes me nervous. Because it won't fit either way. The bottom is much smaller. So I could try to trim the top to be like the bottom. The other problem is it's really tall. It's kind of matched there, but it's over that much. And that being a stud down there means if I put the bolt up here, then I can't jack that and have it swing in there very easily. I'm also worried that if I compress this and put it on there, it might actually break that stud off. So it's not just, if you break a bolt, it's not easy to repair. So what would you do? Pretty frustrating. It says it's going to work and it doesn't. Because even if I could get it clamped on, that's not really ready to be used, is it? Kind of frustrating.